go this. Nice, nice. New rim is like very stable, but I'm going to change it to so the front fork swing I change it very small. So result is like the fork swing can be very small, like 10 or 15%. It can turn a very light down small circle and got reasonable reaction on the turn. You see, really like lying down. You see the head. Okay, the shock is nice, even though this slow speed. I got a new shock coming up. Okay, now I'm with 100% driver, and my friend and my pilots, they will do like a 50% trial because you know, the skill is different. My skill is only stop here. Okay, I'm just concentrate on development and design and running fast, little than them. They got skills to drive car like stolen. Okay, you see, I'm trying like a casual enjoy feelings. It's so beautiful. Been like 1 year development. Finally we getting there. Like now it's 98%. I'm waiting for new rear rim. Okay, Sam using CST tire and it's with fast pushing axle, and it will be more stable and more durable. You see, okay, a punch, brakes, and turn. Okay, everything getting there. Nice. But the left and right, the trim is a little bit problem is the weight is to the left a little bit. I think it's the front wheel mechanism problem.